Good morning, cookies. It is number corner time. We're going to take a look at our pattern to see if you can predict. Remember, that's that big word for guess what today's pattern piece is going to be. So here we go. Say it with me. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square. Circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle. We had a rectangle yesterday, which was a $5 bill on the first day of fall. And drum roll, please. Give me those drum rolls. And today's pattern pieces. Look at the sail on this ship. What's it shaped like? It has 1, 2, 3 sides and 1, 2, 3 corners. That's right, it is a triangle. We also have down here the number 23. That is 2 and a 3 make the number 23. So 23 is our date. How many days in September we've been? So it's September 23rd, 2020. If we go straight up, our day starts with a W. W. That means today is Wednesday, because Wednesday starts with the W sound that W makes. Okay, so let's go over the days of the week. You know the song by now. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And then we're going to move over and we're going to review the months of the year. That's all of these. This is a month, the month of September. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now, before we move over to our days in school area, you'll notice I moved our number line over here. This is where it actually stays during the school year so that you all can reach it and help me with it. So I moved it to its regular place so we could see it a little better. And I might need to bring you all a little closer next time, but we're going to help hop forward and backwards on our chart here on our number line. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, I know you can say 10, but we don't have it uncovered yet. So we have to stop with the number we see. Now Hop's going to hop backwards, which means we're going to count backwards. And you're going to notice there's not a 0 here. So we're not going to go 0, blast off. We're just going to stop at the number we end on. So here we go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And if you can't control it, just say it in your head, because I know some of you are yelling, blast off. Nope, do it in your head. Okay, let's start counting forward from 3. Here we go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now he wants to start at 7. 7, 8, 9. Okay, we're going to move over to our other part. Hi, guys. It's a nice day. I'm so glad you're here. So, get us up here just a little bit. There we go. And if you look here, we have one group of 10s, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. So 10 and 7 more make the number 17. So if I add one more dot here, we knew we had 7. So if we count on from 7, 7, 8, we have 10 and 8 more. That makes the number 18. You're right. So we're going to add 17 from yesterday because Miss B forgot, and 18, a 1 and an 8 with that fun number 8 to write. I know. And we're going to add our link up here. So, whoops, close that up. 10 And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more. 10 and 8 more make 18. You guys are such smart cookies. Now, just a little reminder, you're supposed to be on a hunt today for a square. So we have our square poem to remind you what you're looking for to bring to the 12 o'clock meeting. 1, 2, 3, and 4, the sides are all the same. Corners 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, the square is this shape's name. And you can see lots of squares on here. It's your job to find something that is shaped like a square today. I will tell you at the 12 o'clock meeting what you're hunting for tomorrow. So make sure you are very, very quiet when you are hunting shapes. Have a cookie-licious day.